Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to mute words on the X app from your computer using the latest update. Whether you want a cleaner timeline or prefer to avoid certain topics, muting words is one of the most effective ways to take control of your experience on X. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a list of options. Find and click on the More icon. It looks like 3 dots arranged in a circle. Next, a menu will pop up. From here, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you can fine-tune your account preferences. Inside this section, select Privacy and Safety. This is where all your content control tools live. Under Privacy and Safety, locate and click on Mute and Block. This option is designed to help you filter what you see and what you don't. Once inside, choose Muted Words. Now it's time to add the words or phrases you no longer want to appear on your feed. Click on the plus icon in the top right corner of the Muted Words page. A new window will appear where you can type in the word or phrase you'd like to mute. After entering the word, you'll see a few fields to customize how and where this word is muted. You can choose whether you want to mute it from your home timeline, notifications, or both. You can also decide how long you want it muted forever, or just for a limited time. Adjust these as you prefer. Once everything looks good, click Save. The app will confirm your settings, and from now on, any posts containing those words will be hidden based on your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully muted words on X using your PC. A simple update, but a big step toward keeping your timeline exactly the way you want it.